Good morning, Harbor House students. As many of you may have noticed, I haven't been in school since last Tuesday. Last Tuesday I reported for jury duty and I was chosen to be on a jury. So now I am on a jury and I will not be back today, I will not be back tomorrow, but I could possibly be here in school on Thursday. So I wanted to make sure that I explained everything so that you could get started on a really fun project in social studies. The first thing that you may have noticed is that your teacher has just passed out to you a passport. Looks like this. It's a United States passport, but on the inside there is a project. You are going to be going on a journey to Africa. Not really, but you're going to be pretending to go on a journey to Africa. The first thing you will notice if you open up your project sheet is the top of the page, a 10-day trip to Africa. It is going to take you a lot longer than 10 days to go on this trip, but that's okay. We have plenty of time before the end of the year. So it says, you have been selected by the National Geographic Society to travel to a location in Africa. Your group will fly from Boston, Massachusetts to Tunis, the capital city of Tunisia in North Africa. From here, you will begin your journey. This is where it's a little bit different for each student. There are many countries that you will be traveling to. You're all flying into Tunisia at the same time, but then you'll be traveling from Tunisia to some different countries. You could have any of these countries: Cameroon, Ghana, Swaziland, Mozambique, Niger, Ethiopia, Egypt, South Africa, Tanzania, or Kenya. You have one of those countries on your passport. Today, what you're going to be doing is a little bit of research. Even though this will be set up as a blog, today you're just going to be documenting all of your research, and you're going to be putting in a Google Docs. So you're going to go to Google Drive to record all this information, and it's going to take you a little bit of time to do it. So for today, what I need for you to do is to do research for day one. We're not starting our blogs yet. You're just going to put this in day one, save it into Google Docs, share it with me. I'm going to be taking a look at them tonight to see how much you got done. So the date of the trip. The date of the trip is today. Today's date, which is May 27th, 2014. The airline that you will be traveling on. Now, this is your first bit of research. You need to go online. You need to find out which airlines fly from Boston to Tunis, Tunisia. Remember, you might have to stop in other countries as well. So you need to find out what airlines fly there. The length of your flight, again, keep in mind if you need to do a layover or something like that. So you're going to write down the airline that you choose. The length of your flight. I would even write how much the flight cost. I think it's going to be pretty expensive. You're going to research and find out what the weather is in Boston. I want real temperatures. I don't want you to say, it's nice in Boston, and when I landed in Tunisia, it was hot. That's not what I want. I want you to find the exact temperature for Boston, how long the flight takes, what the temperature is in Tunisia when you land. I also want you to write anything that you're looking forward to while you're in Africa, anything that you're worried about, anything that you're wondering about. So you're going to take today's class, you're going to use your iPads, you're going to get this information, make sure you have it all in Google Docs, and you're going to save it and share it with me. I will be looking at them. We probably will not be starting our actual blogs for a few days. We're going to be doing some other research. But for today, I want you to go online, do this research. Don't copy the person next to you. It'll be kind of fun. You need to go on. You need to pretend you're really going to go on this journey. You're really going to go on this journey. You can write what time the plane leaves, any information that you think will be interesting. So, good luck, and I'll look forward to reading these tonight.